Hello, everyone.
Hi, welcome back.
How are you today?
I hope you are feeling good and ready to learn English.
Yes, today we will learn English with daily life situations.
Simple English, easy English, real English.
English you can use every day.
At home, outside, with friends, anywhere.
If you like learning English with us,
Don't forget to like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's start. Good morning, Alina.
Good morning, Aline.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. What about you?
Not really. I feel a little tired.
Oh no, maybe you need more sleep.
Or maybe I need coffee.
Yes, coffee helps.
Let's repeat together.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I feel tired.
Very good.
What are you doing?
I am brushing my teeth.
Good. Clean teeth are important.
Yes. Then I will take a shower.
And then?
Then I get dressed.
What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue shirt.
Nice. Blue looks good on you.
Thank you.
Let's repeat.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am taking a shower.
I am taking a shower.
I am getting dressed.
I am getting dressed.
Again, slowly.
I am getting dressed.
I am getting dressed.
What are you eating?
I am eating eggs and toast.
Yum, that sounds good.
What about you?
I am eating fruit.
Healthy.
Yes, trying to be healthy.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Let's practice slowly. I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
Do you want some?
Your turn.
Great job. Are you ready?
Almost ready.
Come on, we're late.
Wait, I need my phone.
You always forget your phone.
Yes, I always forget.
Now are you ready?
Yes, now I am ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wow, it's a nice day.
Yes, the weather is good.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot.
Is it cold?
No, it's not cold.
So it's perfect.
Yes, perfect weather.
Let's repeat.
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
The weather is good.
The weather is good.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. Excuse me,
Yes?
how much is this?
It's $5.
Okay, I'll take it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's practice slowly.
How much is this?
How much is this?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
That's all.
That's all. Hey, long time no see.
Wow, hi, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too.
What are you doing here?
Just walking around.
Nice. Let's repeat.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Hello?
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm at home.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy. Great, let's meet later.
Sounds good.
Okay, see you.
See you. Let's repeat.
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
I'm not busy.
I'm not busy.
See you later.
See you later.
Now, let's practice together.
Answer these questions.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Good.
What do you say in the morning?
Yes. Good morning.
Are you ready to go?
Say, yes, I am ready. Let's repeat important sentences.
Slowly, clearly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
How much is this?
See you later.
See you later. Again, one more time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Ready.
I am ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alina, what do you always forget?
My phone.
Yes, always your phone.
What about you?
I forget my keys.
Oh no, that's worse.
Yes, I stay outside.
Great job today.
You did very well.
Remember, practice every day.
Speak English every day.
Even small sentences help.
Don't be afraid to speak.
We are learning together.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what do you eat for breakfast?
Yes, we want to know.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.